Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Rosa. If you are not, I'm glad that you are back. Today's video is going to be on this crochet style. Nothing, new or spectacular, but this is definitely a style I love because it, closely resembles my hair. So I love seeing and picturing what my hair might look like in a couple more years. But yeah, it's just, a way to protect my hair and it still looks good. And they're easy, they're pretty quick. And I would say if you take care of it, a crochet style can last for about a month. So those are my reasons why I like them. But enough of that. I'm going to show you guys my braid pattern. I'm going to show you how I crochet the hair in and show you the different ways that I can switch up the style with my versatile braiding pattern. So if that interests you, please keep watching. Okay, so this is how I parted and pre-sectioned off my hair to prepare for my braiding pattern. I think I'll end up doing 5 straight backs on each of those 2 sections, and then I'm going to do a beehive to braid it all together in the back. So I'm just showing you guys me corn rolling my hair. I don't know why I'm making all those faces, but yeah, so there's 5 on this side, and then I'm going to put 5 on this side. Boom, magic. And so now I decided to just twist the straight backs, kind of 2-strand twist them versus corn rolling them into the beehive that you'll see me do at the back. I don't know, I feel like when I braid my straight backs into the beehive braiding pattern, it just makes it super bulky. And so I wanted to give this a try, and it was okay. I probably will braid them into the beehive next time. So yeah, once I got on the other side, I'm just wrapping it up, and then I'm gonna get some needle and thread and sew that down. I will say that this side of my hair is still secure, the side that I sewed with thread. The other side, and the reason why I wouldn't do this again, is because the other side has become unraveled as far as the 2-strand twist. My braids are still intact, but the braids are now loose. They're not in the twist, so that's why I wouldn't do this again. Or maybe I would sew the other side as well just to secure it. So yeah, now that that is done, I'm going to work on the back of my hair. So I'm going to just start to braid into a beehive. I'm not going to show every step of this, but I'm basically going around the perimeter of my hair, corn rolling until I get to the middle. Once I get to the middle, I'm going to sew down my little braid that I have left, and then we can start the fun part, the crocheting. Okay, so I went ahead and sewed down the little braid, and that is basically the beehive braid pattern that I have in the back of my hair. So now we're going to start crocheting. I used a mix of hair that I had left over, so that's what I was showing. And basically, instead of like going around in a circle to fill it out in a circular motion, I'm going row by row, trying to just fill it in. The same way you would like sew in tracks, I guess, if you need like a visual representation. I'm just going across the braid and just crocheting the hair in. I think I knotted it 2 times just to make sure it was secure. So I slip the hair through once, and then slip it through a second time, and then just pull to make sure that it is nice and tight and secure. With this hair, it doesn't slip as much as like silkier, less curly hair does. So yeah, just working my way through, just showing you guys the process. Crocheting is very, very easy. So yeah, I'm not gonna waste your time. Okay, so now I have all the hair crocheted into my head. Now we're going to start to cut it into a shape. Personally, I'm not feeling this Jerry curl looking style without cutting it. So we're going to give it some shape and some body and some life. So I'm going to kind of section my hair off and work my way up. Kind of similar to if you've had a curly cut. That's basically what I'm trying to do. I will, just a quick little disclaimer, I don't totally love the final cut that I achieved at the end of this video, but to be honest, it doesn't matter because the hair is going to expand, it's going to get frizzier, and it's going to look more natural anyway, and the shape that I initially had does start to disappear the longer that I wear the hair and the older that the hair gets. So yeah, I'm just trying to give myself like a heart-shaped cut. And like I said, I don't love my final result, but I'm just going to kind of speed through so you can kind of see what I'm trying to do. So this was the next day. I definitely went back in and cut some more. I should have just left it alone. I should have left it alone. But yeah, this is my final look for now. Like I said, this style changes and it looks more realistic and natural the longer that the hair stays in. And I think I'm going to include some clips of what it's currently looking like so you can see the potential. But yeah, this is the final look. All right, so that is the end of this video. Please let me know if you liked this tutorial. Please let me know if you have any questions about anything I did in the tutorial, about the hair, anything. I'm here to help. And I like that it is versatile. So if I once it, you know, it's more lived in and not as tight up here so that you can't really see so distinctly the crochet hair compared to my hair that's braided. I would wear it, you know, middle part. I also can do a side part, like I said. So there's a little side part. But I'm gonna put it back in the middle because that is the way that I'm liking it with the bangs. So just bring the bangs to the front. But yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you are enjoying the content that I'm putting out. I'm definitely trying to be more consistent, but feel free to give me any ideas or things that you would like to see from me. Please be sure to give it a big thumbs up so that I know you enjoyed it and so that YouTube knows you enjoyed it. And make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video.